Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Alicia Souza planner as well as calendars and freebies and all the good stuff. This is the Ultimate Trio. So I have not ordered this for planner. Obviously you guys know that I have a friend who loves the Alicia Souza planners. So what we do is every year we just order the Ultimate Trio and she takes the planner and I take everything else. I love Alicia Souza products and I have been using their calendars pretty much for last 3 years consistently. The desk calendar as well as the wall calendar. So this year there was no difference. So let's get into the unboxing. This is the big box. I think the first thing that I have in the box is this thank you note. It is really cute. I'm just going to unbox this properly. This doesn't fit the frame. This is such a huge box. This is, for reference, my hand. So yeah, this is the box. This year there was a lot of problems getting this. I had ordered this in the first week of December and did not get it till the 26th or no 28th of December. There is a constant problem of delivery with Alicia Souza, and that is what has demotivated me a lot of years. This year, I actually wrote to Alicia, and she mentioned that next year will be better. They are going to hire some sort of operations manager and stuff. So, other than that, I really love their products, and that is the reason every year I go back to them. So, this is this year's Ultimate Trio box. Let's open it. Wow. Okay. First up, we have the wall calendar, and let's open this. Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh, the wall calendar has is in two parts. This side is just the artwork, and this side is an actual calendar. And the artwork every month is pretty decent, I would say. And as every year, this wall calendar will go on my son's room where he will write his things to do, his vacation days, his um, school stuff. And then there are two sticker sheets, very standard Alicia Souza sheets, nothing different. And then there is a back pocket. Perfect. I really like this calendar. There was a Happy Wagon musician calendar also, which I was considering, but then the Ultimate Trio is what I ordered. This is the desk calendar. I have been using Alicia Souza desk calendar also, I think, for the last 3 years, and it goes on my office desk. And this year, I'm particularly very excited for this desk calendar. Every year I am, to be honest, but this year I think the concept is unique. Even the last year, the concept was fairly unique, and I liked that. But this year, I'm particularly more excited. Oh God. Okay. So this has moved. I think I can just stick it. I think so. Yeah, I can just stick it here and this could be it. But since I have it in hand, this is a habit tracker of sorts. So I have a lot of habits that I can track here. It's interesting. I really like it. And then this is your calendar per se. Let me just show you all the artwork first. So this is January. There's nothing really different than last year. One thing that I definitely appreciate is the highlights of the week, which I can put here. The space to write for each day is very less as compared to last year, which I don't appreciate. But there is on the back page of every month, there is scribble your thoughts. So I'm not sure how much do I appreciate it. Do not need the notes column if there was a week highlight. Everything looks a little crammed. So to be honest, this is slightly disappointing. But nonetheless, I'm going to use it extensively. And with this, the sticker sheets come right here. There's a box, and this is what attracted me the most about this planner. And there are a lot of sticker sheets. Okay, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticker sheets, which I love. But all these stickers are repetitive. Like last year, I think I see a few stickers unique. But they're really small stickers to fit the really small space here. So I'm not complaining, and stickers are always welcome and good. But I'm particularly very excited for this. I do not like the pen stands where your pens stick out and all pens are not alike. I know this is very, very OCD, but I intend to use this as my pen space where all my different color pens can go and my desk is as clean as possible. So that is the intention with this. And also this I have to go ahead and stick it properly. Yeah, that's it. I was really excited for this. Somehow it is slightly underwhelming. Obviously I had put up a lot of excitement in my head for this, but nonetheless, this is the freebies. Let me just first open the actual planner, and this makes me really happy. The box itself is so cute. I'm just going to put this away and just bring all our focus to the planner. Let's open the box. This is a very, very pretty box. I see a lot of doodles, very pretty doodles. Oh, then we have the sticker book. Oh, I'm so happy to see this sticker book. It's a very standard Alicia Souza sticker book. I don't think Alicia Souza does a lot of difference in their sticker, but this year I see definitely the stickers have gotten smaller. There are a lot of knick-knack stickers that I see, which I'm really happy about. So this is the sticker book. Then you have the thank you note again. Then you have this butter paper, which is foiled, which is so cute. Mine is slightly crinkled, so I'm upset for it, but this is so beautiful. Then we have the tiny planner, which I'm always in love with. My son absolutely loves this planner. He keeps it in his bag for his daily notes. He's never written notes in this, but he just loves this small little planner. And every year he takes it to school every single day. So I'm very happy with this planner. This is cute. This is nice. Oh, this is slightly different than every year. No, this is exactly the same. Every quarter would have one notes page, and every start of the quarter will have two notes pages. Okay, perfect. And then there is page dividers also. Wow, this is very standard, nothing's really changed. I absolutely love this planner, and a lot of things can be done here. This I think would be a very effective budget planner, because you can actually write whatever you're spending on every day here, make notes, and end of the month take summation and bring it to your actual main planner. If you don't do your budget planning on an Excel or in an automated way, I think this would be a great budget planner. Then we have the actual planner. This is so pretty. I really like the doodles and the artwork this year. The colors are really bright, so I'm not complaining. My friend chose this Viro bound. I do not like the Viro bound, but she's chosen this. I can actually show you inside what's there. This is obviously the first page. Then you have the personal information page. Um, this letter to yourself, scribbles and thought, and this is the actual letter. So you can scribble it first here and then write the actual letter. Interesting. And this is very standard for Alicia Souza. Then you have two blank pages. Okay, this is to be folded into the letter, and this is a blank page. My year's goal notes pages, and then the January month starts, silly conversations, highlights, and one blank page. Then things to do and thoughts and things, another blank page for January. Then the January month starts, your weeklies. One thing that I think really bothers me for Alicia Souza planners is it generally starts from the day the month starts. So this is a Wednesday starts, ends on a Tuesday, and then there is a notes page. I'm not sure if this was always the case, but I generally like my Monday starts. But again, this is since January starts from Wednesday, this will always be Wednesday, which is really bothering me. Then you have the end of the month and a blank page, 4 habits to track, notes, period tracker, and to dos. This I really appreciate. Personal to dos and work to dos, which I really like. Meal planning. This I think is a very small space. Even my friend that uses it does not use this page, because she says that she writes post eating just to keep a track on what day she ate what, but she cannot use this. The space is really less for her to plan. Then you have another blank page. This year, I really appreciate the number of blank pages that are there in this planner. I was not sure if they were the same case last year. Then you have the Feb month, which says simple things, snoozy cuddles for March, fly for April, woohoo for May, small beautiful things for June. I really appreciate the stabs as well. Free for July, cozy and comfy for August, warmth for September, cake always for October, care and nurture for November, and joyride for December. This is such cutesy looking thing. And as you know, Alicia Souza planner is my top cute planner in India currently available. The paper quality is also decent. I think I had reviewed this planner and remember this is 100 GSM if I'm not wrong. Then you have highlights of the year, books I've read, movies I've loved, and a blank page. There are two bookmarks. One is a very, very standard ribbon bookmark, and the other one is a satin pencil bookmark, which also I like. And then there is a back pocket. That's it. This is all to do with the actual planner. See, this is the exact reason I do not prefer a Viro bound planner. I will not disturb it too much because this is my friend's and this needs to reach her in as pristine condition as possible. Obviously, I've taken the permission from her to open the box and show you guys this. But other than that, this will go to her. And then we have the exciting bit, the freebie box. I have no clue what's there in this freebie box. This year I have actually not seen any unboxing of this. So I'm pretty excited. I think the first thing we have is all things stationery, a pouch. Interesting. It's not too interesting actually. It's just a simple clear pouch which you get everywhere. There is an Alicia Souza branding here. The chain and everything looks absolutely okay. Then we have a gift bag. Oh, very cute. Very nice. The gift bag looks really pretty. I have other gift bags also from Alicia Souza. I do not have the heart to use it and give it to someone. But this is also equally pretty with a really nice satin handle. What is this? Okay, interesting. Let me open this. It looks like a sticky note, but a round one. Not sure. Oh, this is a coaster. Okay, perfect. Oh, wow. This is a very, very heavy coaster with a corkboard and really nice ceramic. I would like to say this looks like really nice quality ceramic. A little bit of love. This is so pretty. This definitely goes on my office desk for sure. I think this is just a notepad. Let me open this. It says whimsical sticky notes, translucent 60 sheets of sticky notes. Oh, this is so nice. What will I write? How will I write on this? But this is so pretty. I don't think I'm going to use it. I have a lot of Alicia Souza sticky notes. I have never had the intention to use them. They are just so pretty. Especially this one. I don't think I'm going to use this because I need a marker to write on this and I'm not going to use a marker. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh wow. I was really wishing that they give some kind of pencil case because on top of my Hobonichi weeks this year, I do not. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, I was saying, sorry, I got carried away. On top of my Hobonichi weeks, I think this will look really pretty. Let me just quickly bring my Hobonichi weeks. So this is my current Hobonichi weeks. I know you've not seen the setup yet, but I'm sure, I promise that I'll put up whatever that I have done here. But I have put a clear cover on top of this and I have a pen loop here. This pen loop is slightly annoying. If you see, my pages really get folded here. So I'm just going to shut this pen loop right back and use this in my weeks. And I think this will be just perfect. Oh no, I don't think this will be that great because then my cover is getting squished. This is a very big detour for the video. I'm really sorry, but I just want to test this out. This looks really pretty. I'm just going to remove this Alicia Souza tag. I think this looks really pretty, and with the greens and the blues, the color theme really goes. So I think I'm going to use this in exactly the way this is, because as you can see, my Hobonichi weeks got crushed because of the pen loop here. I think this is a better idea for me to keep my pens, and I can keep more than one pen, which is also a great deal. So I'm not sure, but this comes at a really good time. Then we have a notebook, a boba book. Let me see. 50 sheets of plain 100 GSM paper, and this is a straw pen. Ooh, this is really nice. Oh, this notepad is really good. Okay, perfect. This year, I was not, a lot of the brands are not doing any freebies, and the costs are the same. But I always appreciate this little freebies that Alicia Souza and team are giving us. So I have nothing but appreciation. I am in absolute love with the wall calendar. The desk calendar, I'm slightly unsure because this space in it has reduced to a drastic bit. So apart from that, I really don't have complaints. I have always loved the planner. This year with the notes pages, I think they've done a great job. So I think that is it about the video. Do let me know. I know that I have to film the updated Hobonichi weeks video as well for you guys, which I'm going to do soon. I will also do a setup video because there's a lot of setup in this Hobonichi weeks that I have to do. Set up my planners, set up my collection pages. There is a lot that I have to do, but I have started with it. I will film it, I think, while doing it, or will definitely show you my current setup. I have decided also on my journal. So stay tuned for the updated lineup for 2025. I think that is it. We've discussed a lot. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Last couple of weeks have been slightly hectic. There was a wedding in the family. There was a lot of events that I had to manage. So I'm really sorry that last 2 weeks were slightly quieter. But I will be back with a lot of setup videos, with a lot of updated Hobonichi weeks video, as well as my journal, as well as my lineup. A lot of videos are there. I am not forgetting the undated planner videos also in my planner marathon series. So that is also something which is on my mind and I have to do. I've completed my research, so I will quickly film that video this weekend. Hopefully early new year's you will get that video as well. So let me know if you have any other video requests. I'll be happy to do it. Thank you for watching. Bye now.